Friends, hope you are all doing fine by the grace of Allah. Protesting farmers' unions have written to a center saying that the discussion will only be on the modalities of repealing the three legislations and providing a legal guarantee on the MSP. As you are aware, the government has invited the protesting farmers for the sixth round of talks on Wednesday, that is tomorrow. In its letter on Tuesday, the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, which represents 40 farmer unions, has said the discussion will be only on modalities for the repeal of the three farm laws and a legal guarantee on MSP. Aam Aadmi Party has offered to set up free Wi-Fi hotspots at the Singhu border for the protesting farmers to enable them to talk with their family members. This is an initiative of Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. It is hoped that the talks between the two sides, which are to take place tomorrow, will bring some fruit. It should bring some fruit. That is the desire of every right-thinking person. Politics should not be involved in such sensitive matters. Every party wants to have some political benefit in every issue, but it should not be the case at all. Of course, the BJP is not an exception. It is also taking advantage of so many things. Political benefit seems to be the aim of the BJP party also. Same is the case with other parties. Anyhow, people who really want progress and prosperity of our country wish that problems should be settled amicably without involving politics. This is the urgent need of the hour. Already we have lost our economy. GDP is at the lowest ebb. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. Some new virus is also on the move. We receive information from different countries saying that a new kind of virus is there. People are suffering. Even some flights have been cancelled. So what is happening in the world is something dangerous. But our political parties do not worry about all this. They want to fish in the troubled waters. This is really hateful, unbelievable, and we must learn a lesson from the situation we are passing through since about a year. Let Allah save all of us. Let Allah give us proper wisdom to make things easy and work for the progress and prosperity of our country and people. As I have said already, this is the urgent need of the hour. Let us try to follow this. Thank you for your listening.